Hi there and welcome back to another video here at YPS Chat. I'm Sam.
And I'm Andy, and today we want to show you one of our new displays and talk about one of our new suppliers, JT Ellis.
Right, let's have a look then.
So we think that's a lovely quality product, very well put together. So far they've exceeded our expectations as a supplier, and we will be using their products in a lot more with our designs in the near future.
Yeah, I totally agree with that. Lovely product, great people to deal with. And if like me you like to buy British and support local businesses, you can't go wrong with JT Ellis. They're a private, family owned manufacturing business based in Huddersfield, West Yorkshire.
So what else can I say? Buy quality British made products, support your local businesses, and everyone's a winner.
And if you want to learn more about JT Ellis, click on the link in the text and go over to the YouTube channel and take a look at their other videos.
Yeah, so I hope you found this video interesting. Thanks for watching and see you soon.
See you on the next video. Bye.